Huwag patay. Huy, apit. Sus.
Dagan-dagan nila, Jack!
Kapit! Oh, kada! Oh, timis!
Forward, padung, forward! Go! Go! Oh, out! Dagan, Jack! Dagan, Jack!
Foul throw. Oh.
Drop! Go!
Kuha! Upanan! Kuha! Pada!
Go!
Ayo!
Slide, one side! One side here, slide! Slide, go up dito sa middle! Oy! Go! One ball! Ay, guys!
Ayaw maglalit!
Cover lang, cover! Good one! Harold, control the ball. Control. Oh, pass play! Alak na! Davis, alak!
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to award the U7 category. For our third place, congratulations to Bahili Robots FC.
Ilan na score, ma'am? Draw pa? Okay, sorry.
The coach and the players, please. Congratulations to the parents of Bahili Robots FC.
Paulo!
Most especially and Bahili Anifat Robots FC. Thank you so much for participating in this event. Continue.
Oh, very good!
Marking!
Patay! Nice! Uy, ito niluto. Sagdi lang.
Awan na lang! Ayaw lagi takilid lagi!
That is good. You're not FC.
Please, the ball,
Congratulations to the proud parents, the supporters.
Marking, marking!
Uy, sayang. Ngano na sa dyan? Outside. Wala pa. Parang shoot out ini.
Sky, forward!
Pila na? 5 minutes pa.
Hola, si Messi, no! Lilans!
Tunga siya. Balik sa tunga siya. Ma. Midfield ka.
Lilans!
Oh, Sky, di na.
You son of Category champion.
Good one. Sige, challenge! Sige!
Some supporters, the coaches. Thank you so much. Mga proud parents, sa mga bata, Panginoon din na magpadayon ng suporta sa inyong mga anak. To the grand winners of this summer categories, congratulations. You did
Wala na! Ay, wala na to, oy!
Sky, Sky, support, Sky!
Hindi sila sunod, no? Siyan, siyan! Gawas niya, siyan! Nawa! Ditunta ka, oh! Nga, numusunod man juga sa box, oy! Siyan, ayaw magsuot sa box! Ayaw, ali, ang goal! Tunga, tunga, tunga!
Focus ba?
One kicker, one kicker!